Thanks for choosing Self-setup. This quick and easy setup should take 20 minutes or less. Let's get started. Activate your device using the Self-setup app with the QR code found either on your Self-setup guide or sales receipt. Or click the link in the email or text we sent you. Once the app tracks your order, click Let's Go. Open up the kit and confirm you have a gateway, power cord, coaxial cable, and Ethernet cable, then click I've got them. Then, choose where your gateway should go. Make sure it is off the ground, centrally located, away from anything, and near coaxial and power outlets. Securely plug one end of the coaxial cable into the wall and tap I've connected coax to wall outlet. Then plug the other end into the gateway and tap I've connected coax to gateway. Plug one end of the power cord into the gateway and the other half into the nearest electrical outlet. Your gateway will now start powering up. Tap Turn on Internet Services. This can take up to 20 minutes. Tap Now let's name your Wi-Fi network. Now comes the fun part. Think of a unique name and password for your Wi-Fi network. Be sure to write it down. Tap Continue. Note that this should take a few minutes to complete. If you're using a wired connection, your device can be connected to the gateway with the included Ethernet cable. If you have an extender or Optimum stream, continue to follow the app instructions. Otherwise, there you have it. You're connected. Need more help? Get our all-new My Optimum app, where you can easily manage and troubleshoot your Wi-Fi, optimize your internet speed, get 24/7 support, and more. Download it at the Apple App Store or on Google Play. Thank you for choosing Optimum.